It's spring now. I found some intelligent flowers in our yard. Their petals can move. They know day and night. You see, it's daylight. Their petals are all open. It's beautiful. In a few hours, when the sun goes down and it gets dark, their petals will close mysteriously. Look, it's about 8 o'clock in the evening, and the petals of these flowers are magically closed. Their petals will close like this all night until they see the sun tomorrow, and then open again in the daytime. The next day, you see their petals are open again. These flowers will be like this every day. The petals will open and close. The flowers will die in a few weeks and open again in the next year. I also found that its petals was also closed when the temperature was low in the daytime and when there's not enough sunlight. The important question is, how can the petals open and close every day? Does it have the same motion control system as the human body?